Hey guys, today, I'm revealing the top 5 cold plunge tubs you can buy right now. Number 3 is a gorgeous wooden barrel that looks like furniture. But number 1. It's the quietest, most energy-efficient chiller system we've ever tested, and it paid for itself in ice savings in just 4 months. Starting at number 1. ICECON Professional Cold Plunge Tub. ICECON Professional Cold Plunge Tub heavy-duty rotomolded ice bath for athletes is designed to provide an effective and reliable cold therapy solution for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. This tub features a robust construction made from low-density polyethylene, LDPE, ensuring durability and longevity. The rotomolded design allows for an efficient and sturdy build while also being lightweight enough to facilitate movement and storage. Included with the tub are 4 ice block molds, making it convenient for users to create their own ice blocks for optimal cooling. The thermal insulated design helps maintain low temperatures longer, making it suitable for both gym use and outdoor setups. With a capacity of 90 gallons, the tub measures 45.5 inches in length, 25 inches in width, and 27 inches in height, providing ample space for a full-body immersion experience. The rectangular shape and matte finish give it a sleek, modern look that fits well in any environment. Number 2. Cold Plunge Tub. The Cold Plunge Tub is designed for athletes looking to enhance their recovery and performance through immersion therapy. With an impressive capacity of 88 gallons and a powerful 0.8 horsepower motor, this heavy-duty ice bath tub is perfect for maintaining optimal cold temperatures for therapeutic use. One of the key features of this portable cold plunge chiller is its water treatment kit, which ensures that the water remains clean and safe for regular use. The immersion therapy provided by this tub is known for its benefits in reducing muscle soreness and inflammation, promoting quicker recovery times, and overall aiding in athletic performance. Additionally, the tub is equipped with Wi-Fi control, allowing users to easily adjust settings and monitor temperature remotely through a smartphone or tablet app. For convenience and mobility, the Cold Plunge Tub also comes with a backpack and wheels, making it easy to transport and set up wherever needed. Number 3. Cold Plunge Tub with Water Chiller. The Cold Plunge Tub with water chiller, pump, and filter is designed for individuals seeking an effective way to engage in cold therapy at home. This tub is equipped with a low-consumption 2/3 horsepower chiller that efficiently cools the water down to a refreshing temperature of 39 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for enhancing recovery, reducing inflammation, and improving overall wellness. The integrated pump ensures a consistent flow of water, allowing for a comfortable and therapeutic experience. The filter system maintains clean water, providing a hygienic environment for users. Whether you're an athlete looking to boost recovery times or someone seeking the benefits of cold therapy, this plunge tub offers an optimal solution. Number 4. 121-gallon Luxury Pro-Grade Cold Plunge Tub. Introducing the 121-gallon Luxury Pro-Grade Cold Plunge Tub, meticulously designed for those who seek the ultimate at-home recovery experience. With a powerful 1050W water chiller, this state-of-the-art tub allows you to indulge in ice-free cold plunging, making it more convenient and efficient for your wellness routine. The impressive 121-gallon capacity provides ample space for a fully immersive experience, allowing you to soak comfortably. Engineered with built-in filtration, the tub ensures that the water remains clean and fresh, providing a hygienic environment for your recovery sessions. Crafted to withstand the elements, this cold plunge tub is both weatherproof and durable, making it suitable for outdoor use in various climates. Its robust construction guarantees longevity, allowing you to enjoy the rejuvenating benefits of cold therapy for years to come. And there you have it, the best cold plunge tubs you can actually buy in 2026. Whether you're a pro athlete needing 37 degrees Fahrenheit recovery or a beginner dipping your toes in with a budget inflatable, there's a perfect tub for you.